Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Chevrolet Camaro. We'll begin by laying down the foundational shapes that define its powerful silhouette. Think about the car's aggressive, low profile, and broad shoulders. Using a light hand with your pencil is key here, as these initial lines are merely guides. This approach ensures you can easily refine your drawing as we progress through the steps, building confidence with each stroke. Now, let's establish the core proportions and main outline of your Camaro. Carefully sketch the distinct lines of the hood, the sleek roofline, and the compact trunk. Remember the iconic long hood and short rear deck that give the Camaro its sporty look. A good rule of thumb is to make the wheelbase about 2/3 of the car's entire length, providing a solid base for the design. Next, we'll add the crucial details that bring your Camaro to life. Begin by drawing the wheels, making sure they are perfectly round and positioned correctly within the wheel wells. Then, carefully sketch the side windows, the expansive windshield, and the rear window, paying close attention to their angles. Don't forget to incorporate the aggressive front grille, the sharp headlights, and the signature taillights, giving your drawing character. Finally, it's time to refine your drawing and add those finishing touches. Gently erase any initial guidelines that are no longer needed and sharpen the main outlines of your Camaro. Now, apply shading to create a sense of depth and volume, emphasizing the car's muscular contours. Adding subtle reflections and shadows will give your drawing a polished, realistic appearance, making your Camaro truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.